Welcome back. Today we're playing this Fountains game on Roblox. Wait, let me try for this now. For this video today we're playing this game. I don't know what this game's about. We will find out. We will find out together. I guess this game. I guess try shape. Rob us. I guess you can start go up there without getting caught by the lava. Volcano. If you're new to my channel, please give me a big subscribe. So let's get into today's video. If you're new to my channel, give me a big subscribe. So we'll start today's video. My name is Keith Gago. I post videos. All my views are fun. You might think it's your base on that myself. We start today's video. Yeah. But I feel good. Making skills. I'm liking these games. I'm finding have some series. I'll be finding games. I can do my circuit here based on some sort of thing, and I'll be the rest of the video. I want to make sure my running was somewhere. What is it? What's the music? So there we go. That's much better. Now you guys can hear me again. Okay, that's good. Okay, I want you to make guys in ways like this. I will have it muted. I'm lucky this game has that. This is a game, guys. Don't. This is you can't do this in real life. You can't not just roll by in real life. You can die. Die or get burned. And please, guys, you pray Roblox. Please try this game for yourself. I have it muted. I have muted because the music is some crazy music on here, and my videos are kid-friendly content. Here we go. We're going up here. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. We are gonna be here in a couple minutes, I think. How long I made this video for? Yeah, just making sure. We're almost there, guys. When we get up, the video will end. The video will end when we get up there. Our point is to get up there. Might be fake. Probably not. If you new, I think it's be a big thumbs up. So I hope you for today's video. We're gonna be there soon. Where's waiting for we'll see what happens when this blows up. We gotta be 6 feet. That will be for this video. That will be for this video. Guys, be a big so I will see you in the next one. Bye. Yes, be a big so I will see you in the next one. Bye.